you are going to see here is just the average summer storm for Pattaya, Thailand. Well, average. Yep, average. It's the rainy season. And this storm was strong enough to shut down the fireworks for 2.5 hours. Now, it hasn't started raining yet, just a little bit of lightning and wind going by. But as the rain starts to come down, you will notice it looks like it's out of focus. No, it's not out of focus. That is the rain coming down heavy. Okay, sit back and enjoy a typical summer thunderstorm in Pattaya, Thailand. Oh, that little bit of screaming that you hear down there. Well, if you look towards the left-hand side of the screen, midway, you'll see some flashing lights. That's where the stage area is. And believe it or not, the band is still playing on stage. Through the thunder and lightning and the wind, the band is up there on stage. Now would be a good time for you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and clang the bell, because I do have more video coming your way of the rest of the fireworks. There you go. We are now looking right into the heavy rain. Yep, doesn't look like much, but that's a very heavy rain out there. That's why the background is looking all blurry. And don't worry about the band. They have gotten their ass off the stage. They finally smartened up. As for the people who came out to see the fireworks, some of them are going to stick around. They have taken refuge in some of the shopping malls on Beach Road and the many restaurants and thousands of bars that are on Beach Road. So they're hanging out there. And a few of the weaker hearted, I guess they're heading home.